In a small, dusty town stood a school where dreams often faded before they began. Among the noise of laughter and chatter sat a quiet boy named Arun. Every year, his name appeared at the bottom of the exam list. His teachers sighed, his classmates mocked, and his parents didn't know what to say anymore. He really did, but numbers danced on paper, and words ran away from his memory. "You're just not made for studies," his father once said, disappointed. Those words burned more than any failure. Every report card was a wound. Every result day, a reminder that he didn't belong in the same world as the others. Arun began to believe it, stopped raising his hand in class. He sat at the back, his eyes staring out the window, where life seemed simpler and quieter. The world called him lazy. But inside, he was just lost. One day his teacher asked him, "Arun, what will you do with your life if you can't even pass an exam?" Arun whispered, "Maybe I'll do something that doesn't need one." The class erupted in laughter. That night, he walked home under the orange sky, feeling smaller than ever. Yet in that silence, a strange thought entered his mind. What if I'm not stupid? What if I'm just different? A few months later, something unexpected happened. Arun's neighbor, an old repairman, was fixing a broken radio. Wires, circuits, tiny gears all scattered across the table. Arun stood watching, mesmerized. The old man noticed. "Curious, huh?" He smiled. Arun nodded. "I've never seen something so alive without being alive." That was the moment it began. Every evening after school, Arun visited that small workshop. He'd help fix fans, clocks, and radios. He'd ask questions, break things, rebuild them. For the first time in his life, he didn't feel like a failure, felt alive. While others memorized answers, Arun built them. While others chased grades, he chased understanding. Years passed. Arun never went to college. Couldn't afford it, and truth be told, he didn't need it anymore. He began repairing old machines in his garage. Soon, people from the whole town started visiting. He could fix anything. But more than that, he could create things. One day, a traveler stopped by with a broken radio. After watching Arun work, he asked, "Where did you learn this?" Arun smiled. "From failing everything else." The man laughed. "You know, I run a small company in the city. We build communication devices. Would you like to join?" That offer changed everything. Arun left his hometown and entered a world of technology and innovation. His ideas, once mocked, were now admired. Within a few years, he developed a device that could bring electricity-powered communication to remote villages. It changed lives. Years later, Arun stood on a grand stage, holding an award for innovation. Cameras flashed, people applauded, and a journalist asked, "Sir, how did you become so successful without formal education?" Arun smiled softly. "I never failed exams," he said. "I just passed different ones the exams life gave me." The crowd fell silent, continued. "Everyone's born with genius. But the world measures it in only one way. Don't let someone's scale decide your worth. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. The boy who once failed every exam became the man who taught the world a lesson that schools never could. That curiosity is greater than intelligence. That failure is not weakness, it's direction. And that those who don't fit in today might be the ones who redefine tomorrow. So if you've ever felt behind, lost, or unworthy, remember Arun, because sometimes the world needs time to understand your kind of genius. Don't fear failure. Study it. Because in its silence, it hides the secrets of success.